Chef Cristo Gonzalez, and today it's all about carrots. We're going to be making a lot of different carrot salads today, and right now I'm going to be making you a sweet carrot salad. It's going to have carrots, some raisins, a little honey, a little olive oil, a little bit of vinegar, and some lime juice. So here's how we do it. We cut up our carrots. You can cut them in any way, shape, or form that you want. I happen to like this little bias cut. So our little Catalina Carrot Salad is going to have some little juliennes of carrot. We're going to have some raisins. We're going to put a little lemon zest. Just use the colored part of the lemon. You don't want to go all the way down to the pith. The pith is bitter. So you're going to put a little bit of that in there. Make sure you tap on this because it always sticks, so you get some zest that's building up right there. We're going to put in some avocado, and now we're going to put in our yogurt. We're going to just kind of fold this together. Now we're going to put it into our plate. A little salt and pepper. There's just a little bit of radish. We're going to put this on top just for color. So we have our Catalina Carrot Salad with avocado, raisins, and whole yogurt. We've got our carrots. Now we're just going to put a little bit of this radish around just to brighten it up a little bit. Okay, so here we have it. My nice Catalina salad. It's got avocado, raisins, and yogurt. Let's give this a little taste. Yeah, that's really good. I'm Chef Cristo Gonzalez. Try this one.